3, 2, 1. And I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be trying viral TikTok snacks. Yes guys, I'm finally bringing this back. I know a lot of you guys missed it, and honestly so do I, and I'm ready to get on with this video. Okay, so the first snack we are going to try is cotton candy pickles. Honestly, I don't know how this is going to go. I like pickles and I like cotton candy, but together, ooh, who came up with this, honestly? And the idea of a sweet pickle is kind of for me. We'll just see how this goes. Okay, to start this off, I'm gonna take this cotton candy. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, so if you guys want to find cotton candy, definitely go there. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. Looks pretty tasty. I'm gonna take some and flatten it out. Actually, let's take this bigger piece. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna work because liquid melts cotton candy and pickles have liquid on them, the pickle juice. Like, how is this even supposed to work? Okay, that should be good. And I don't have regular pickles, so I'll just be using these pickle slices. You know, it should still work. Same taste. Let's get a slice here and just slap it on there. Just like that. Can I fold it in? Like, how do you do this? Oh, there we go. Now we got a little pickle burrito. Guys, right now, comment down below if you would eat this. Now it's time for me to eat it. Ooh, the cotton candy's melting. We need to go fast. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let me pray for this. I deeply soak this food with the blood of Jesus. Let it be good to my body and nourish my body. Let it make me feel comfortable. Jesus, and I pray, amen. Here's the cotton candy pickle. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Wait a minute. When I tell you it's not bad, wait, why do I kind of like it? The flavors are weird, but they're good. Here, you guys give it a try. Tell me what you think. There's so much sugar though. I probably put too much cotton candy on here, but let's try it again. My body's like, what the heck are you putting in me? I'm not gonna lie, guys, I kind of like it. It's weird, but I like it. What rating should I give it? Maybe like a 7 out of 10 or 6.5. I'm still trying to get used to it, but I thought it was gonna taste totally different. It is a lot sweeter than I thought it would be. Look at this. This is what happens when you put liquid on cotton candy. But to be honest, it's not that bad. And I know you guys want me to take another bite, so. Ooh. Not the pickle turning red. Okay, let's put this away before my body changes its mind. On to the next TikTok snack. Ooh, I need some water after that one. Anyways, the next TikTok snack we will be trying includes a bell pepper, cream cheese, and everything bagel seasoning, but I don't have that, so I'm using this Mrs. Dash salt-free garlic and herb seasoning blend. Hopefully it works. All right, I've already gotten this yellow. I've already gotten this bell pepper nice and clean. Speaking of bell peppers, I've called bell peppers bevel before. I don't know why I did that, but anyways, let's cut up the bevel. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Okay, let's rinse this out. All right, next you put in the cream cheese. Honestly, who comes up with this stuff? Were they just really hungry and this is all they had? Because I would never think to make this as a snack. But I guess that's what social media is for us to try new things. You know what? This is good enough since this is the first time we're trying it. Let's not go crazy here, but now we're going to add on our Mrs. Dash seasoning. Sprinkle that on there. Oh, that was a lot. And now we're gonna try it. All right, bon appetit. It smells good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's the cream cheese throwing me off a little bit. But wait, let's take another bite. I mean, it tastes like something you'd get at an Italian, oh, why can't I say that? At an Italian restaurant as an appetizer, but I don't know if it's for me. Let's get more of the seasoning. The seasoning's good, the bell pepper's good, but the cream cheese is not going that well for me. And I'm chewing on this for so long. This one is like a 5 out of 10, I guess. That might just be me being generous, but I think it's just the cream cheese that I don't really like in here. You guys can have the rest though, go ahead. And I'm tired of chewing on this, so I'm not spitting it out because I don't like it. I'm spitting it out because it's just taking too long to chew. I don't know, comment down below if you tried this before and tell me what you think. I'm sure some of you guys like it, but for me, the cream cheese is just not as good as I wanted it to be. We're gonna need another water break for this one. Cleanse the palate. One good thing about these TikTok snacks though is that they're easy to make and really quick too. So if you want a quick snack, you can literally whip these up in 2 minutes. Okay, now it's time for the last TikTok snack, the one I am most excited for. So let's try it. For this next snack, you will need jalapeno peppers, yes, raw jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and I'm sure you guys already know this TikTok snack, but the last thing you need are some Takis. Yes, the bag is open, I got a little snacky, okay? I'm actually excited for this one. This one might actually be good. And from other videos that I've seen people do, the jalapenos aren't even that spicy. I don't know why. Or maybe it's because you take the seeds out. That's probably why. Anyways, let's put this together. Here's my little jalapeno pepper, and I'm just going to slice it right here. And then you have to take out the inside. Ooh, this is harder than I thought it would be. Wait. My jalapenos are kind of soft because my brother accidentally put them in the freezer and I had to let them thaw out, but this should still work. Oh yeah, make sure to get all the seeds out as well. We need to create this opening in order to fit in the cream cheese and the Takis. Ooh, we still have a lot more to get out though. Okay, now that I have it nice and hollowed out, it's time for the cream cheese spread. I'm really trying to scrape the last bit of this, and we're going to fill it up with the cream cheese. Guys, what do you think? Do you think I'm gonna like this or hate it? Honestly, the last one wasn't that good, so let's just pray that I like this one. Like, why would you want to fill it with cream cheese? I actually do feel like it's going to be a lot like the last one, since without the seeds, this jalapeno just smells like a bell pepper, or should I say Bagel. Okay, we have a fresh new cream cheese here, and let's go at it. If I don't like this, this is just a waste of cream cheese then. Okay, I think that should be enough. We need to leave space for the Takis. This is what we have so far, and it is Taki time. Let's see what we have here. Usually people put in about 4, but we're gonna see if we can put more than 4. Ooh, that fits in there nicely. Number 2, 3, ooh, 4. I think that's all this one could fit. Look at that cream cheese. Okay, I'm done making the jalapeno. Actually, what is this called? A stuffed jalapeno? Let's just call it a Taki stuffed jalapeno. I'm a little nervous, but I feel like the Takis might save this one. I'll just give you guys a little look. And I guess we should just get right into this. Jesus, please help me here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait. Why is this delicious? Look at that. The way the Takis and the cream cheese just goes together. That flavor. What was the point of me even being nervous in the first place? This is good. More Takis. I am amazed at how good this is. I'm over here thinking this thing is overhyped. Actually, let's try something. Let's take this bell pepper and add a Taki to it. Let's see if I like it more. The Takis help for sure. If this didn't have Takis in it, I probably wouldn't like it as much. Already a 10 out of 10. It's that good. You guys can go ahead and have a bite. This is a good snack. Deserves a dance. I think I'm getting a kick from the jalapeno and I like it. 10 out of 10 all the way. Definitely recommend for you guys to try it. So we obviously know which one's my favorite. The bell pepper was the worst. Then the pickle cotton candy, or cotton candy pickle. And in first place is the stuffed jalapeno. So good. Alright, faves, that is it for today's video. I actually really enjoyed trying all of these snacks. Even if they weren't my favorite, they were definitely fun to try. And I hope you guys try some of these out too. Maybe you'll like them and maybe you won't, but it's still fun to have the experience. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below which one you're willing to try. Or you can comment down below if you tried any of these already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, faves!
It was when you came into my troubles all night. And